I'm Ted from The Devil's in the Detail, and I thought I'd talk you through this job that we're about to finish. We've done all the work and we're going to apply Gtechniq Crystal Serum and Gtechniq XO, and we're going to put 2 coats of the XO on it. The wheels have already been coated in wheel armour, they've all been polished. But the background of this car, now like I say, it came in for to be enhanced a little bit, but really starting with this boot lid there was quite a lot of lacquer pop, and I decided I was going to just flat it out and see how it come up. Well, as you can see, it come out glorious. So at that point the whole job changed. Decided that I was going to go all in to try and create a show winning vehicle. So it's had at least 5 stages of polishing on this car. Every panel, everything has been took to the limit that I dare. I haven't been able to measure the lacquer thickness or anything, so it's all been done from the experience that I have in the motor trade. And now we're at the point where we've just put all the wheels are back on, we've just lowered it down to the ground. It's coming to the end of the day, so it's quiet, and we've now got the doors shut, and we can now apply the crystal serum, and then we'll leave it to cure overnight before coming in tomorrow and start applying the XO. This will give it 5 years protection. The XO adds the hydrophobic properties that will keep the car cleaner for longer. And like I say, the 9H hard crystal serum will protect the paint that we spent so many hours preparing. There will be videos and some professional photos coming of this car, but we just wanted to show you and try and explain what we've done to try and create what we see as a work of art. Not trying to blow my own trumpet or anything like that, but the car has come out beautiful. Just going to start coating the other side of the bonnet, and we just do exactly as we did on the other side. And I'm using the block to go with the excuse me, the contours of the bonnet, rather than if I use it that way, although it covers, it's not really going on as consistently as it does across these contours. So now I'm just going to spread it to make sure it's spread. I'll go in the other way. Then we've got a nice even coat, and I'm going to leave it for a few seconds to thought I'd have the last walk around of this car. It's going outside to have some photographs done today. Richard's coming to take some more professional photographs for the owner. So really, I put the last coat of XO on yesterday, so it's had a coat of serum, 2 coats of XO. The wheels have also had wheel armour, and we went over them again with EXO, so you know that's a bit more protection. But this has been a really satisfying job. There was over 35 hours of polishing alone, but Wasif has got stuck in and he's done his fair share. Everything, you know, the stuff that I would normally do on a Premium Plus detail, Wasif has done himself. And you know, the caliper's been painted and the hub's been cleaned. He's actually polished all the wheels to save me doing it, and he's made a good job of those. So he's learned how to use his DA sander, his orbital polisher this week, and gained more confidence. And I'm sure he's learnt a few tips from watching the work being done. So very pleasurable job, and because we will be going to shows together when the shows start happening, you know, it'll be nice to have some of my work at the same place. And that was part of the reason that I really went all in on it, is that I wanted to show it off a bit, or show what we can achieve. But I'm sure you'll agree that the car now looks lovely. So if you've followed the videos on this, thanks for watching them, and I'm grateful for the comments. You know, it's always nice to have some encouragement. You know, it's keeps you motivated and wanting to do the best you can. And without the feedback from, you know, all the friends of the business, you know, I probably wouldn't feel so enthusiastic anymore. But I'm hoping that we'll have some more nice, unusual cars arriving, you know, during the next 12 months. But also, it's nice to do some ordinary cars and make them look better than the rest of the masses as well. It isn't all about supercars and, you know, flash cars. You know, they all get the same treatment. So, you know, and it's not mega expensive like everybody thinks it is. You know, yes, you have to pay for the time, but it's the amount of time you choose to have. But we're not expensive by detailing terms. You know, in Birmingham, you know, money's tight, car industry's on its knees. We've had to move our prices accordingly. And we want everybody to be able to afford to have this sort of work done, not just people who have got plenty of money. So don't be afraid to ask, and hopefully I'll get to meet some of you. Anyway, good luck, keep yourself safe, and hopefully we'll have a brighter future. See you again soon.